Hello YouTubers, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to review a new product. It's not shoes, it's not something else, it's a luxury golden watch. So stay with me and let's see what is inside this box. Before I open this box, I'd like to ask you to hit the subscribe button below, like the video if you like it, dislike if you don't like it, add your comments, what do you think about this product. This will give me a chance and opportunity to review more products for you. New shoes, new electronics, watches, computers, cameras, and so on. So, voila. MG ORKINA. On the box is pretty interesting. It's like bronze box. We open it. It is another cover. Soft cover to protect the... Wow. And here is the watch. Here is the watch. Here is the watch. Guys, I want you to see it closer. I want you to see it closer. So as you can see, this is a very beautiful watch, golden plated, luxury looking. It has a lot of features, a lot of buttons everywhere. As you can see, it has the crown logo here. It was very smooth. It has data, timing, it's water resistant. It has a clip up on here. Yeah. Let's have this. This is how it will look like on your hands. You have opportunity to shorten this. It's a little bit loose.